was mischievously originated by Vincent Browne, who knows well that that's not what happened. What happened was Sean O'Rourke was discussing a famous ad that the Labour Party published just before the election, where there was indeed that commitment to child benefit to which you refer. And I was explaining how it came about that we weren't able to deliver on that promise on child benefit. And he interrupted me to say, "But you didn't explain that at the time, you kept it simple." And I said, "Isn't that what you do during an election?" Meaning, keep it simple, keep the message simple, keep the ad simple. You can't write an essay along with an advertisement and say, "I'd like to draw your attention to the photograph of the lovely rotund baby," and explain that what we're doing here is looking after child benefit. You know, it's a simple message, and Vincent Browne deliberately and mischievously took it out of context and has got some mileage for it.